like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Called Bellatrix because she's a boy, but he wanted a girl cat, so she's a girl. That's how you can do it these days. And that's Daddy's kitty, and it's a real boy. And his name is Florida because that's our favorite place, but we live in Tennessee. Boo. Okay. Tennessee ain't a bad place. I live here. This is my home. I love it. I love Tennessee. But I don't like how California and all these other places get other things we don't. We're called the Bible Belt. And then, here. Do me. And then, here's me with... Mine's a real girl. So you see, she's a bitch. She's the most pretty. Her name is Diamond. She's a diamond in the rough. Hold on. No, because she's got a diamond. And sit her down. Hold on. If you can see, she has a diamond. I noticed it. I just noticed this. That she has a diamond. Hold her, show him the diamond. Can you help me and show me the diamond? You gotta move your, like, hold on. Cause she has a diamond right under her neck. Look at the black diamond. Her name's Black Diamond, really, but I'm gonna call her Diamond. Ain't she so cute? And she's the furriest of them all. And she's a real girl. But that one's a boy, but he loves a girl one. So he's gonna call her Bella. And then this is the adventurous boy of the group called Florida. Now he's wrestling the remote. There he goes. He's going at it, folks. Say, don't take my stuff. I'm playing with that. What's up, man? Say, what's up, Doc? Say, what's up, Doc? Say, what's up, Doc? Say, what's up, Doc? Hold on, hold yours again so I can get pictures. Because that's the one thing I didn't do. Alright. That's a 3-minute 15 video.